Oh my God. Stop it right now. Camembert, chutney, whatever. Chutney, whatever. My friends always, whatever. That's not even. Bread, crackers. Let's get into it. Oh, I did want, sorry, I've got Stranger Things in the background. I don't really watch it, but, oh my God. It's going to be hot, isn't it? Oh my God. I can't even explain this. This is an absolute joke. Cheesy. Hang on a minute. Fork, I should have got a spoon, but... I mean, it's cheesy, but... This is a really nice one. It's from Tesco's. Have you eaten? That does not look good. I know what that reminded me of, like. Anyway, let's carry on. I must admit, right? It does not look appetizing, does it? But it is. But it so is. If you haven't eaten something, eat something. Something's better than nothing. Also, guys, what do you do with this bit? Do you eat that? Yes, we bloody do. Get on there then. Scoop it up. Oh no, this is going to break. Should I have let it cool a little bit? Oh my goodness gosh. Are you supposed to share this? Surely it would say for two. Right. My thought is, as if I lived in a hot country that was hot all the time, I would be really skinny. Because I wouldn't want to eat shit like this. Because you wouldn't need to. Because it's not cold and rainy and shitty outside, you know? Outside bit is good. Alright. If you want to go and get the camembert, this is your sign. Can you hear Stranger Things? Those little clips, they're awful. It's not appetizing. It's not appetizing watching it. That, my friend, is good. Enjoy evening.